strawberry coulis is simple to make and creates a stunning mouth-watering dessert when drizzled over ice cream. Strawberry season is a highlight of the gardening year. Strawberries are packed full of goodness and are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Strawberry coulis is a delicious way of providing variety to use up a bumper harvest. The strawberries need to be cleaned well. Soak in water for a few minutes before rinsing through. Chop the tails off the strawberries and remove any damaged parts that could spoil the flavour. Doing this will help prolong the storage life of the coulis. Lemon juice is optional, but will bring out the flavour of the strawberry juice. Cut half a lemon into quarters ready for squeezing.
Hello, I'm Liam and this is a short introduction to say this is a recipe from the Home Coffee Shop collection. You can see the full ingredients and all my other recipes on my website. See the link below the video. The recipes are ideal for anyone looking to find enjoyable ways to eat more nutritious food, whether for yourself or your family.
I use a mini chopper to make the coulis. A blender would work well too. Once the strawberries are in the chopper, squeeze in the lemon juice, checking that no pips accidentally fall in. Add 1 heaped teaspoonful of sugar. Give the mixture a good blitz. The coulis should be smooth and lump free. If you find any fruit pieces, give the mixture another blitz. Taste the mixture and add more sugar if you prefer. The final strawberry coulis should be a thick smooth syrup with a gorgeous red colour. For a completely smooth coulis, strain through a sieve, but I find this step unnecessary. Decorate your ice cream by drizzling the coulis over the top. Any leftover coulis will keep in the fridge for a few days, and it freezes well too.
Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. After subscribing, click the bell to ensure you are notified every time a new video is added.